Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another witch casket unboxing. I literally just got the witch casket yesterday and today is the 18th of August. Quite proud of myself. I told you I was going to do it. I told you. I think I've still got a couple to upload though. I've got everything scheduled for the month and I've just got a feeling that this is going to end up going up right at the end of the month. I might try and jiggle things about now that I've got it. I wasn't sure what time it was going to come, so yeah. I thought that was thunder then, but I think it's like someone's car or something. So let's get into this unboxing. We are doing August's witch casket box. Ooh. Okay. What do you think of my background, by the way? I've got my little witch. You might not be able to see it properly because it's a little bit blurred, but I've got my little witch pillow in the background that came in one of the witch caskets. Can't remember which one. So yeah, ignore the hair. It's a bit frizzy at the minute. So, witch casket courage. So for August, it says courage on it. Hi everyone, our August casket is all about courage and we hope you find it empowering contents can inspire you and give you all the courage and confidence you need to face your challenges. We know the world is a scary place right now and we can't thank you enough for letting us know how your caskets are helping you. Sorry, I've got a hair on my lip. That's the problem with gloss and dogs. Yeah. So that's really, really cute. I'm not going to read what's in there because I like to be surprised. So the first thing I'm seeing is this Witch Casket exclusive Courage postcard collection. Oh my gosh, that is super, super cute. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see as well in the background up there. Where are we? Up there, I've got like all my little witch casket cards that we got, and now I have more, like loads more. So these are just postcards, but I'll definitely be able to find somewhere to put them. So we've got this one that says Fearless Witch. This one that says Impossible Things, Take Courage and a Little Magic. Oh yeah. Oh, little potion of courage. And bravery is a hidden treasure we all hold. Love it. They are freaking awesome. I really like the colour scheme as well with this box, which is quite cool. So that's that. Then we have got a courage ritual kit. Contains everything you need to leave your fears behind. So let's have a little sneak peek in here. I do keep saying to you guys that I'm happy to do videos on any of like the little rituals or spells that we get, but nobody ever comments saying that they want to see that, so I haven't done anything yet. But I've got so many videos in the pipeline. I'm quite pleased with myself. I've got, well, August is, I've smashed it throughout August, let's just say that. I don't know if it's going to carry on throughout September, but no, it will. It is gonna. We're going to be positive about it. So yeah, we've got things in here. Ooh. I've got a little tea light candle, and then obviously it's got like the instructions in there as well. Super cute. I love that. Okay. We have got some morning sunshine tea. What is that? Right, okay. Okay, so sorry, I'm like sweating. Okay, I'm a little bit shook now. If you guys have watched all of these videos, right, then you hopefully are going to know why. This is morning sunshine tea for confidence, positive energy and joy. Witch casket, man. Really? So, we've got tea. Now we get in every witch casket, we get some of these tea leaves. I keep saying every time that it's really great that we get these, but I need to get one of those little tea things, like the little tea sievy things. And I think Witch Casket have just come through. Let me just check and see what it says on here. Red Jasper tea infuser. Turn tea into witch's brew with this magical red jasper tea infuser. Red jasper is a stone of courage, stamina and vitality. Right. But this is one of those things though, isn't it? So you put the tea leaves in there, and then I think you put this in the water, Is that right, guys? Am I being a moron? Let's have a look. I'm trying not to, don't want to find out what I'm not seeing. Oh no, I've seen things already. Tea infuser. Transform tea, oh it just says the same. It just says the same as what that said. I will find out, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is one of the things that I needed. But it's also got like a red Jasper on it as well, which is even freaking better. So I think you just put your tea leaves in there, then you would close it up and soak that in the water or in like a teapot or something. I'm sure that's what you do. I can't believe that they've sent this. Literally in the past few boxes or in a few of my videos, I have said I need to get one of those little tea civvy things, and now I've got one. Yes, smashed it, witch casket. Actually can't believe that, that is so weird. Okay, so, and they won't have seen my videos, and also I don't even think the ones that I've said it in are even out yet, I'm not sure. So, we've got Witch's Casket Essential Roux. Mental strength, healing, health and protection. What is this? I don't know what this is. So again, is this tea? What do I do with it? Let's have a look and see if it says what we're supposed to do with it. Another essential part of your witch's apothecary. Incorporate Roux into spells, rituals, charm bags, spell jars, etc. for mental strength, healing and protection. I am going to start, I really do want to start learning about herbs. I want to start growing some things now that I'm here. Once I get my actual caravan, hopefully I will have like, oh my baby, she's not very good at getting up on things. Go on then baby, you can do it. Go on then, up, up. No, now she's coming to me because I've spoken to her. Sorry about that. And I want to start maybe growing some herbs and things like that. I really like lavender plants, so I'm thinking some lavender and whatnot, so we'll see. Ooh, we have an enamel pin, or a badge, as some of us say. And it just says Fearless Witch on it. Yes. Love that. I'm actually quite happy with my background. I'm going to get some like nice cushions, I think, to go on there so I can have it like that as my background more. I keep thinking the fire's on, but it's because the sun's on my arm and it is so hot. The fire did keep coming on at one point. I think I figured out how to not make it come on now because I've set it to a really low heat. So I think now it shouldn't come on. But what have we got here? Courage, confidence, boosting tools in magic. So this is just like a little list that tells us if we were to do something to do with like courage and confidence, these are going to be the things that are going to be useful in rituals or spells and things. So like crystals like bloodstone, red jasper, ruby, herbs like fennel, nettle, thyme, hibiscus. So we've got like all, you know, what colour candles you need to use and all those kind of things. Very handy. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what is this? Oh, I think it could be a candle. I've got a feeling it might be a candle. It is sandalwood and amber. It smells well nice. Oh, it's not. Is it soap? We'll have to read the instructions. Sandalwood and amber, sandalwood and amber. Wax melt. Is it a wax melt? Sandalwood. Yes, it's actually a wax melt. That is a big wax melt. Would you break that in half or would you use that in one? That is huge. And do you know what? I'm just going to put that on my altar because it smells really nice and it will probably just make everywhere smell nice. It just might start to melt when it gets really hot, and it does get really hot. That smells beautiful. I'm going to pop it on my altar anyway and see how we get on. I have got a little altar dish that I can put it on that we got in one of the witch caskets, so that'll work there perfectly. What is this? Oh my god, I'm going to leave that one. Oh, we've got a red Jasper keyring. We've got a red Jasper keyring. Got a lot of red Jasper in this box. Eee. I might wear this later on. Oh, I love that. I really like that. Okay. You guys probably think I'm so weird because I'm always like feeling the crystals. I'm sorry, that's just a natural thing that I do. So red jasper, a simple way to carry the energies of red jasper with you for courage, empowerment and endurance. Thank you very much, Witch Casket. And that is just what it looks like. It's very pretty, very nice. Got a nice little gold keyring as well, which I like. Right. Oh my god. How does it open? Oh, okay. So we have got just a little altar box here. And that is going on my altar, obviously, right behind us there. If we can see it. It's got a lot of Witch Casket stuff on there. Oh, I've also got a bleached London bottle that doesn't belong on there because I did Mel's hair. But that's super cute. I really like that. Perfect. And then the final thing I'm seeing in here is Witch Casket, Courage Crystals. Oh my god. Oh my god, we've got like more crystals. Excited. I'm not even going to attempt to guess what these crystals are. I hope you can see them. In fact, I'll tell you. So we have got red jasper. So that's the red jasper. That's quite a big piece of red jasper as well. And it's very pretty. Sorry if the lighting keeps changing. It's just because the sun's coming in and out. So we've got, I don't know which is which here. We know that that's the red jasper. We've also got tiger iron, which I'm going to go for a guess that is this one. I'm really sorry if you can't see. The lighting's not great. Let's see if it's better if I come closer. Oh yeah, that probably is a bit better. Okay, and we've got sardonyx, which I've not even heard of, and Chinese bloodstone. So I'm going to say that I think this is going to be the Chinese bloodstone. I could be wrong here, guys, and that this is the other one. I am going to Google this later on, just to see which one is which. But I think that's really cute. So we haven't just got a crystal. We get a crystal in every box. Obviously, it's Witch Casket, we're going to get a crystal, aren't we? But we've actually got 4 crystals in this one. So I've also got a red jasper crystal on a keyring, and we've also got red jasper crystal on a tea infuser. I mean, these guys just rock my world. I love the Witch Casket boxes so much. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are enjoying these videos, please give me a thumbs up and let me know, because I don't really get much feedback on it. So I want to know what y'all guys are thinking, you know what I'm saying? I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.